I think you would take it. Now, mind you, I worked really hard to get to that point. You know, it was a lot of hours, it was a lot of stress. I work better when I give myself a deadline. Otherwise, I just don't do it. So I just decided, okay, we're opening up the guest house on, May 1st. And I just made sure that everything was ready on May 1st. Otherwise, I wouldn't have done it. So I would try it. If you have a place and you're thinking of doing this, yeah, I would seriously think about it. Yeah, my guest house one is called Kevin's Guest House, and the other is Mary Lou's Guest House, and we're on Airbnb, so you can easily check what I'm saying. Business, of course, has been way down during COVID, and there are typhoons and things. One typhoon took out the train line in Hakone, so that was not good for business. What I've realized is, in the hospitality business, it's a risky business. So I personally would not make this your only source of income, but if you have savings and you have enough savings, you could use this as a retirement income as long as it's not your only source of income. But it's a really nice source of income as long as you don't have to rely on it. I feel sorry for some of the people who've done Airbnb and it was their only source of income, and then a hurricane or something happens in their area and they're it's tough. They have to close. So we this year we're probably looking at about maybe $20,000, but that's during a historical event. That's during a pandemic. We did get some government money because they gave money to the hotels, they gave money to the guest houses, but yeah, during a pandemic, we'll probably still make about $20,000 last I checked. So that's pretty nice. And again, 1 hour a week. So once you get it all set up, yeah. And you may not want to do it like I do. You may want to be hands-on, if you enjoy that. Some of the hosts really like, being with the guests. I just knew I didn't want to kind of be in the guest house with them all the time. I deal with them by email mostly. So, but yeah, I really recommend that you check it out if you're thinking about this. Yeah, it's not for everyone. But if you want a passive income, if you want to be a digital nomad and travel the world and have income coming in wherever you are, as long as you have a good staff, you can do it. So, yeah. I'll be making some more videos about this, and I'm going to probably make a class on Udemy about this as well. So, stay tuned.